Today we are going to learn a block diagram of analog output module. An analog output module is used to give either a varying current or voltage to the output field devices. This module converts a digital signal from CPU into equivalent analog signal. This continuous analog signal, which is either voltage or current, is used to drive analog output devices such as electric motor drivers, analog meters, pressure transducers, analog valves, actuators, etc. The first block of analog output module is output data table. After executing the program instructions, PLC stores the status of output terminal, which is either 0 or 1, in the output data table. CPU accepts a status word from output data table and gives corresponding voltage signal to the latch logic circuit. CPU sends a low voltage level signal to the latch logic circuit, which represents either logic 0 or logic 1 from the output data table. The voltage level used for logic 1 is different than the voltage level used for logic 0. The latch logic circuit will latch that logic signal from the CPU as either a on-state or off-state signal. This on-state or off-state signal is then given to the optical isolation circuit. Optical isolation circuit will isolate low voltage signal of CPU and high voltage output field devices. A digital signal from optical isolation circuit is converted into equivalent analog signal by digital to analog converter. The output of D2A converter is either analog voltage or current, which is then given to drive analog output device. This picture shows example of analog output module. In this example, analog output module sends a voltage or current output signal to a pressure transducer. A pressure transducer converts incoming voltage or current signal into equivalent pressure signal. This pressure is used to press or release the valve. This valve is connected to the oil pump, and depending on the input pressure, volume of oil can be adjusted by using this valve. This is the another example of analog output module in which speed of the motor is varied through motor driver by using PLC analog output module.